How to copy and paste on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can copy and paste on Facebook. Now, if you open the Facebook app, you'll get an interface like this. Now you can see the post right here with certain captions. Now if I want to copy that, what I want to do is tap on it and hold my fingers there. You can see text copied to clipboard notification popping up on the bottom of my screen. So this way you can copy text, but if you want to paste it, you can just do the same process. Go to a place where you can type and tap and hold, and you'll get an option to extract text to clipboard and paste. Now just tap on paste and you can see I've got the same text that I've copied before right here. So this way you can copy and paste on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.